Practice set 12 deals with multiplication of fraction. So let us start. Very easy. We have to first check whether the numerator and denominator can be reduced or not. So let us check. 7 upon 5 can be reduced? No. 1 upon 4 can be reduced? No. Now after seeing numerator and denominator, we have to see crosswise also. So can 7 and 4 be reduced? No. Can 1 and 5 can be reduced? No. If all answers are no, so straight away what we have to do? We have to multiply numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Very simple. So 7 ones are 7, 5 fours are 20. This is our final answer. Now I am putting a box to this one. You all know how to put box. You will write the question and the answer and then the box. Now second one, let us see whether it can be reduced. 6 upon 7 can be reduced? No. 2 upon 5, can they be reduced? No. 6 upon 5, now we have to see crossway. 6 upon 5, no. 2 upon 7, no. If all answers are no, then we can multiply. So 6 into 2, 7 into 5. Which gives us 6 2s is what? 12. 7 5s are 35. This is our answer. So the way I was telling you to write your answer was this: 6 upon 7, 2 upon 5 equals 12 upon 35, and put a box. This way. Okay. Next. 5 upon 9, they cannot be reduced. 4 upon 9 can also be not reduced. And same goes with crossway. Nothing can be reduced. So directly multiplication. 5 into 4, 9 into 9. Remember, numerator is multiplied to numerator, denominator is multiplied to denominator. Okay, so what we get is 20 upon 81. So therefore 5 upon 9 into 4 upon 9 gives 20 upon 81. Next. Same way, nothing can be reduced over here. We can see 4 upon 11, 2 upon 7, 4 upon 7, 2 upon 11. So directly we will multiply. This gives us 8 upon 77. Now fifth one and sixth one are for homework. Mark it as homework. Sum number 7. Now see, I said that we had to check whether it can be reduced or not. So 5 upon 6 and 6 upon 5 cannot be reduced. But once we see crossways, so see 5 upon 5. Can you see this? 5 upon 5. When numerator and denominator are same, 5 ones are 5 ones are. Okay. Again here. 6 ones are 6 ones are. We did cutting the way I explained you before in example. So which numbers are left over here? 1 into 1 in numerator, 1 into 1 in denominator. When everything is 1, our final answer is also 1. So therefore 5 upon 6, 6 upon 5 gives us 1. Now last sum, 6 upon 7 can't be reduced. 3 upon 2 also can't be reduced. Now let us see crossway. 6 and 2. Yes, 6 and 2 have a common divisor, that is 2. So if we are dividing 2 by 2, our answer is 1. If I am dividing 6 by 2, our answer is 3. Okay, so what is left in numerator now? 3 into 3. and your 17 into 1. So this gives us 9 upon 70. Therefore, 6 upon 17 to 3 upon 2 gives 9 upon 70. Okay, so we are done.